Hiya, this is a short video tutorial to help you with this piece called Red Light, Green Light, and it is by Susan R. Paradis. Now this piece uses the same diagram and the same fingers and the same notes as the other pieces that I've just done video tutorials on, the golden rule and also right hand, left hand, so it's really useful to have a look at those as well. This piece is a tiny bit more tricky because we're using individual fingers at different times as well as the same fingers simultaneously. Let me play this piece for you first so that you know how it sounds, and then I'll talk you through how to play it. It goes like this. Red light, green light, cars come, cars go. Beep, 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 beep. Okay, so like I said, this piece is really great because it gets you using your hands and your fingers rather individually now. Looking at this diagram at the top of the sheet, which is the same diagram at the top of the previous two sheets, it shows you a number of things. It shows you which hands go where, it shows you which fingers go where, and it shows you the keys like as a picture as well, and it shows you some finger numbers. There's also colour to help you. Whatever is red is for the right hand, whatever is green is for the left hand. Now the number 2 here relates to the right hand second finger, your index finger, so that's finger number 2. The number 3 is for the third finger, your longest finger in the right hand. Same idea with this part of the diagram. In green, we've got finger 2, which is your index, your pointing finger, and finger 3, okay, your longest middle finger. So we've just got to really take the time that we need to position our hands in the correct place. Let me show you what I mean. So we're looking for groups of 2 black notes. We can see that we've got groups of 3 black notes and 2 black notes. Sorry, 3 black notes, 2 black notes, and then it carries on all the way up the piano. We know we need groups of 2 black notes, so my advice is to find your notes somewhere in the middle of the piano. They could be down here, they could be here, but if they're too far away, well, firstly my hands are disappearing off the screen, but also you might end up reaching really far over, so have some notes that are comfortable for you. Fingers 2 and 3, remember, pointing finger and your third finger, so rest those nice and easily, relaxed on those 2 black notes. Now we know we are using individual fingers, okay, so what we got to do is practice hands separately to get really comfortable with that. I'm going to show you the right hand first. So with your right hand in position on your group of 2 black notes, just practice going 2, 3. And that's all I need you to do. 2, 3, okay? And try that a few times until you get really comfortable. And if you want an extra challenge, try making the transition between notes really smooth, like this. This is called legato. It's called legato because it means smooth playing. And it's a fabulous way to make your playing sound really, really good. The other thing I want you then to practice is the same thing, but for the left hand. So these are your left hand notes, the green notes down here. So again, find your notes, take your time to find your position, and just practice playing them back and forth until you find it's really comfortable, okay? And then if you want that extra challenge, try it smoothly. There's your legato playing, okay? It's a bit like walking your fingers along the keys, except we're using black notes, okay? On the bottom line, this is very similar to the previous 2 pieces, as you may well know. We've got to press notes together at the same time. So here we're pressing those 2 notes simultaneously, and then the same in the left hand. And then when we get here, this yellow highlighted section, the notes are printed vertically, one on top of each other like that. So when you're reading this left to right, see how my pencil is tracking along the bottom of the page? Sorry, I hope you can see that. There we go, if I flatten it out. Then you should be able to see what comes first, what you play first here. And then here you play them simultaneously. So I'm going to put my music on my stand and just show you what that sounds like with your fingers in position. Okay, so hopefully that's helped. Looking forward to hearing how you get on. Take care. Bye.